In 2020, we pulled together a group of leading mining and services companies to accelerate decarbonisation of their businesses. Momentum's grown really quickly, and in just over a year we've pulled together 8 mining companies and 9 services companies. Together their market capitalisation is more than $200 billion. They have over 100 operations together, and they have the combined carbon emissions of that of a small country. This is only the beginning, and over the next decade we aim to change the way the industry works to make it more efficient, more environmentally friendly, and importantly a healthier place to work. The consortium comprises 6 technical working groups, each of those led by a mining member company.
Goldfields' role in the Electric Mine Consortium is as stream leads for the heavy underground equipment and future skills streams, and we're active participants in the energy storage and mine design streams. Goldfields jumped at the chance to collaborate with like-minded industry peers and leaders to accelerate the learnings and share greater understanding of the technical readiness level of these emerging electrification technologies and the impact that they will have on our operations. This is a critical platform for us as a business to assist in achieving our modernisation Program Horizon 3 goals of mine electrification and our 2030 ESG targets. Goldfields is doing some really great work, but we can't be involved in all aspects of developing, trialling and testing mine electrification. So the opportunity to share and collaborate with our industry colleagues is so valuable. The Goldfields assets have already invested heavily in renewable energy microgrid power networks, so our next step is to increase the penetration of renewable power into our operations. We believe the 2 key initiatives that will help this along lie in the energy storage and heavy vehicle streams of the Electric Mine Consortium. Goldfields has been leading the Australian industry in its preparation for major battery electric trials of Sandvik heavy underground haulage trucks, which prompted us to take the role as lead for the underground heavy BEV on behalf of the consortium. As part of this initiative, Goldfields has invested heavily over 2 years in the planning, design and infrastructure to support this trial. We have a broader belief in helping the industry accelerate towards fully decarbonised mines, and as such are working collaboratively through the consortium to share our insights in the industry. The Australian underground mining industry moved to truck and decline haulage systems in the 80s, and we've been improving and developing these haulage networks for decades. We're also expecting the emerging greenfields mines in the Goldfields portfolio will need flexible and adaptable haulage networks, so we're well matched to be a fast adopter of new zero emission heavy haulage equipment. Decarbonisation very much aligns with Goldfields' ESG targets of reducing carbon emissions by 30% by 2030. We're continually driving to improve workplace health. Diesel engines release particulates and heat into the air. As a company, we're committed to giving our people the safest and healthiest work environments that technology enables. In addition, we anticipate the skills needed to run our mines in the future with electrified heavy haulage fleets has a solid foundation to build from. They'll obviously require some upskilling and transitioning, but conforms with the basic operating model, with some key adjustments. The level of collaboration between the mining companies and the service providers has really been incredible. We're expecting to begin gathering hard operating data from this unprecedented trial within the next couple of months. We believe this trial of an underground battery electric truck and underground battery electric LHD will demonstrate a level of productivity that will put the industry on a pathway towards full decarbonisation. Goldfields' vision is to be the preferred gold mining company delivering sustainable, superior value. We are well into our modernisation journey, and it's clear that electrification in our operations is essential for our future goals of net zero mining. By acting now, we're enabling our industry to accelerate the understanding of what is required to adopt electrification in our existing and future operations.